In this lesson, you'll learn some basic exercises for your hands so that they don't get tired, but rather flutter like butterflies over your man's body, igniting fire and energy. All of this inside of him is going to happen. I'll show you an effective exercise routine which helps build up the strength and mobility of your knuckles. So the first exercise is the spooked hedgehog. Bend your arms so that you're bending at the elbows. Lift them up and hold them at chest level. Pull all your fingers together and then spread them wide apart so that there's an empty space between them, as though a hedgehog's prickles stood on end. And once again, fingers together, fingers apart.